Hey guys, it's Ariana Rubieska. If you're new here, welcome! I talk all about stocks, real estate, and just entrepreneurship in general. In today's video, we will be talking about how to grow your brand using the most helpful tool to ever exist, social media. Social media is how I make over $4,000 every month. And if you want to find out where I allocate my money, check out my latest YouTube video. I'll tag it up here. And since we are talking about social media, let me go ahead and promote all my socials so you guys know I'm legit. Also, thanks to social media, I am also in the Webull Influencer program. So if you follow all these steps, you get 4 free stocks on me. I'm also in the Leisure Affiliate program. So if you use my link in the description, you can get the Leisure wallet for a discounted price. And that is the wallet I use to store all my cryptocurrency and actually invest in cryptocurrency. And as always, if you need someone to guide you through the entire getting started process with stocks or crypto, hit me up on Instagram. I'd be happy to schedule a Zoom meeting with you, or you can always just check out my website in the description to view all the other resources I offer. That's it for the intro though. Let's get started. So the very first step is to identify your goal with social media and your targeted audience. My goal for when I started posting was basically to help others. I wanted to be one of the TikTokers that explained the stock market in the most simplest and unique way possible so all beginners can understand. I know the power that the stock market holds, and I just want people to use its benefits and take advantage of it, because it's not fair that there's many people that aren't exposed to this just because, they don't have someone in their life to teach this type of stuff to them. Just like how, my parents weren't able to teach this stuff to me. That's just always been me though. I always try to, help out, and if I learn a new skill, I always try to branch it out somehow to connect it with other people, and yeah, I want to change the world. Before I started posting on TikTok, I actually made a course for specifically people in my city. No one really bought it. I think like 7 to 10 people actually bought it. So I realized that I shouldn't waste my time trying to target the people in my city as my audience, because they're not even, up for it. What better way to just go on social media where everyone is always active and use TikTok? Because the beauty about TikTok is that you post some stuff, it automatically targets it to a group of people. Well, my first TikTok that was stock market related was this right here. So I was showing like my portfolio and how I managed to grow it from, zero, or what was it? I managed to grow it from 100 all the way to 1,000 in like less than 2 months. I guess like during that time, the stock market was really popular, and it was a really popular thing to be talked about on TikTok. So I guess I got in at a really good time. Then some girl commented and was like, teach us. So then the next day I made another TikTok explaining how your money grows in the stock market, and bam, that blew up too. From there, I was posting every single day, 3 times a day. Here we can start talking about step 2, which is consistency. If you're going to be posting 1 time a day every day, stick to it. If you're going to be posting 2 times a day every single day, stick to it. Or if you're going to be posting like every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday for every week, stick to it. That's something that the algorithm really likes, especially if you're posting during the time where your followers are most active. Definitely utilize your analytics for that. Post during these times only. Step 3 is engage with your audience. Talk to them, be nice to them. They're people too, you guys are basically friends in this kind of stuff. Everyone's here just sharing the same values, and we're all here for a reason, You can even bring something unique to your branding. For example, something that I brought to my branding, I have an obsession for construction workers or whatever.
He always tells me, you probably have hella construction workers in your DMs. Baby boy, I only want you. Come fix my properties. I'll let you live in them for free. I'll even fix your papers. Come on.
Tell me what it's like to date you without telling me what it's like to date you. I'll go first.
Okay, so listen, you have to go to construction with your uncle to learn how to do these house flips. So then once we buy our first property, you can do the flips for me and save me money. I don't actually want a construction boyfriend or like a boyfriend in general, but this is just like a little joke I have with my followers. And you know, that establishes a connection with your followers, that brings an easily recognizable unique feature to your page. I don't know, like people will recognize you whenever they say, oh, you know that girl that's obsessed with construction workers or whatever. Basically, try to be unique. Once you get to a point where you have a lot of people following you, people are gonna be interested in your life. Like, I know it sounds weird. Like, I still feel weird about it. I don't know, guys. It's kind of weird. Yeah, you just gotta, I mean, of course, set your boundaries, but it's okay to share with them how you're doing and what you do and stuff like that. Another thing I do for branding is I reply to hate comments with a funny sound. So it's the one where it's like, it's this one, guys. Hold on.
Oh my god, bro. Oh,
Hell no, bro.
What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Hella funny.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
And yeah, that's basically what I do with branding. Another form of great engagement styles with your audience is after your post, like let 1 to 2 hours pass by and go live on TikTok. What I want you to do is once you hit 1,000 followers on your TikTok, use the frick out of the live feature. Literally go live every single day if you can. That'll push your video out more into the For You page, and you know, you get more followers, you get more attention, you get more business opportunities, you get more, yeah, you just basically get more, right? Number 4 is have fun. Post whatever you want. Don't worry about who's hating or whatever. Dude, just remember, like, you're out here putting in the work, posting every single day maybe, or whatever you're doing. This TikTok stuff is paying you. You know, you're living a good life. Meanwhile, whoever is watching, whoever is hating, they've just been scrolling through TikTok for 3 hours, the whole day maybe. And you know, when they see someone succeeding, when they see someone that has something that they don't have, it gets them mad. So just know that those hateful comments, they have nothing to do with you, and it's okay to have fun with it sometimes, you know, like how I like to do those videos.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Just be sure it stays in your niche or what your followers are interested in. So if your targeted audience is like stock market beginners, don't go out and post like cooking videos or something. If you're about fitness, then don't post calculus problems. I mean, you can literally post anything on TikTok, so don't say you don't have any content that you can't post. I've seen literal people make content on just writing people's names in cool fonts, so don't make any excuses, bro. You got this. Point is, they do it consistently and they build an entire brand around it. So when you go to their TikTok, you know what to expect. And you create a huge group of people interested in that content, or like you attract people interested in that content. Every time you post something, it'll do good because you've already established your audience. That's really all your followers are, just people interested in that specific content. So ask yourself how people can benefit from it. Something I do is whenever I get an idea, I pull up the notes app on my iPhone and I just write, you know, like a TikTok idea, whatever. And if you still feel lost on where to start, I can help you out with the entire process, you know. That is one of the services I do offer: social media help, website design help, whatever it is business related, I can probably help you out. Just hit me up on Instagram and we can talk more about it. And all my mentorships are done through Zoom. So just know I'm gonna be teaching you personally, one-on-one, customize the learning experience to fit your vision and your business and your goals only. That'll be it for today though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you the best of luck with your social media journey. Have a blessed day. Bye.